Mr. Costa along with
Tonight, our principal is going to be addressing our parents to let them know a little bit about the programs that we offer at De Leon and a little bit about our International Baccalaureate program. And we'll also be offering tours throughout our campus to highlight places in our building as well as programs that we offer.
Well, tonight we are welcoming our families from our feeder campuses and the students that are coming to us from Lincoln Middle School. This is one of our Welcome to the Pride open houses that we're going to be hosting this month. So in addition to tonight, we're going to have 3 other open houses for them to come and see all the great things that we have to offer here on our campus.
Para mi hija sí fue un cambio porque viene de la Lincoln, en grado 7, entonces ella su ilusión era graduarse en la Lincoln, entonces fue un cambio para ella y venir aquí a la de León y conocer la escuela, pues hablar con los maestros y ya se siente también un poco más tranquila.
Please stand up.